and the visibility in this mirror is it matches to the car's equipment. And it has to go out, but these are the batteries. I have to replace the left mirror. It's a US spec, it's completely flat, and the visibility in this mirror is very bad. That's why I've bought this mirror. It's Euro spec, it matches to the car's equipment, but I have to figure out how to unlock all of these clips to remove the mirror that is already installed on the car. Probably I should pull the mirror and it has to go out, but maybe I have to try to apply some heat to the glass. Yeah, that helped a lot. There are a few cables that I have to detach. I'm trying not to damage the heating element. That's why I'm so careful. This is the Euro spec mirror. I'm attaching the heating element. The white connection is for mirror dimming, and this connection is for warning light, line assistant. I'm checking the clearances of all the wires. Now it's time to fit the glass. Euro spec glass fitted. Sometimes I'm having a message that the key batteries are low. Let's replace them. There is a button here that I have to press and release the blade. There is a cap that I have to open. These are the batteries. I need a flat screwdriver. It has just one battery, it's 2032. It's a bit tricky to reinstall the cover. And now I have to insert the blade. Let's do the same with the other key. I noticed that the car doesn't show the outside temperature. The sensor is missing. I ordered this part. This definitely fixes the outside temperature. And the wheel cap is missing. I'll continue with removing all stickers and markings on the car. I have to remove this protective foil. I'm going to use a heat gun. I'll set it to 200 degrees centigrade. You could see the difference here and here in the color. I'm not sure on the camera how it looks, but here the paint is very good. It's unscratched, but here it's a bit darker. I hope that the polishing the car will fix the difference. I will use some amount of solvent to try to clean the residuals from the PPF. Actually, okay. It looks better, but it still needs some polishing. And one extra sticker to remove, this one. Now I have to clean the residuals with solvent. I will use some amount of solvent